In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in ConvertKit. So in order to add some unsubscribe link on ConvertKit, what you can do is you first need to head over to their website, which is kit.com. So as you can see, ConvertKit has been rebranded as Kit. So you can proceed to click on this Start Free Trial in order to sign up for an account. As you can see, they don't require any credit card. If you already have one, proceed to click onto this login right here. Now here is my actual dashboard. So in order to add a subscribe link, you can head over it and then go over to the grow, choose between landing pages or as well as emails or templates. In this case, let's choose in here some emails that we have for our broadcast. We have in here this email, so let's click on this right here and let's proceed to actually edit it. So here we have our email. So on default, you will have in here this unsubscribe button. If you don't have it, what you can do is you can just input the actual unsubscribe shortcode. So here is the unsubscribe shortcode right here. Let me head over and type it. You can input right here this and click on the actual right there and it should be able to be added and the unsubscribe button should be able to be added right here. Now once you have added this, next thing you need to do is just head over and then trigger some things right there. Another option that you will do is you can actually input right here a word. So this can be any word that you want. Highlight it, then add in here a link and add the actual shortcode and click on apply and people can actually click on this and unsubscribe their actual newsletter. Once you're done, you can head over and continue right here and from in there you should be able to send out this email with the unsubscribe link. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.